Hey guys, today's video is going to be an interesting one. I am doing a home tour video of our home. My husband and I have personally designed this. So here is the main entrance door which opens up to the main living room. We have got the small glass top table kind of a thing here and have placed these lovely Buddha showpieces on it. Next to this we have placed this wooden vase with artificial plant, and next to it we have placed this vintage stool on which we have kept this flower vase and candle stands. Now we absolutely love this customized wall decor just above the couch. We wanted to make this living area a lot more inviting and comfortable, so we have invested in a very soft, subtle and classy couch with few geometrical cushions which adds a splash of colors to the monotonous couch. This really agrees with our aesthetic sense. Now this is the TV unit area where we have kept our music system and two Ganesh idols with two flower vase. Got these black and white wall shelves from Pepper Fry to match up with the TV unit. We have kept it very simple with minimal decoratives. This is the dining area with all the dining set and everything. To brighten up the dining area, we have hung these lovely customized wall decor with this classy vintage lights on the wall. So here comes the best part of our home. This is a small space we have in the living area. Since we love Buddha, we have decided to decorate this entire area with different idols of Buddha. We have painted the wall with orange and rose gold color with floral touch to it. Our love for Buddha is a never-ending affair. We personally believe that keeping Buddha statues enhances the positive energy in the house. We absolutely love this corner of the home. Now beside the dining area is this textured wall with very simple wall decors and LED light. Now this is a super cool stand light and our favorite thing in the house, the Buddha fountain. This one is also a customized inverted wine glass kind of a light in the dining area. Now this is the puja area where we have kept the diyas and idols on the shelf. Here is the master bedroom. We have got this beautiful king size grey bed. We have designed the ceiling with lovely 4 crystal hanging lights and 2 crystal ceiling lights. This is a handmade wall decor of a bike. I got this for my husband since he is a great lover of super bikes. You guys can see another French window here with a balcony. This is our picture from our pre-wedding photo shoot just above the bed. We absolutely love this wall and the wall shelves on it. This is the crystal ceiling light which has 3 different colors to it. So this is how the room looks like. The view from this place is so relaxing and breathtaking. We have kept a super cute swing here. Bedroom with very minimal classy decor. So this is our home tour. Do comment and let me know your thoughts on this. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, bye.